sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies let's have some fun with a perennial ukulele favorite. Let's put it in minor. You are my sunshine. You need an E minor. You move everything over to a B7, so you just keep that shape. I don't think I need to say anything about the A minor or the C. Here's our starting pitch. It's an open E. We're going to sing it down low. It's all down strums. 1, 2, ready, begin. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung down my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Please don't take my sunshine away. Let me know how that goes. It's going to be something fun to do in your ukulele group and or performing for friends and family. Is it kind of anti-ukulele? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope this helps you. If it has, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do that and ring that notification bell. It helps spread the ukulele love. And speaking of ukulele love, a huge thank you to all my patrons. I love you so much. You keep this channel going, you know. I'm going to be changing my studio and I couldn't do it if it weren't for your financial contributions. And also we are narrowing in on our charity goal of 250 patrons, and I'll be giving a complete set of ukuleles to a classroom in Arizona. All right, thank you so very much. I hope you have a great time sharing this with your friends and family.